Hey, thanks for joining me today, everybody. This is George at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on an exciting virtual test drive of a 1971 Chevy Chevelle SS 454 convertible. This car is just gorgeous. Body off frame restored. Lines look great. Everything about it is just, it catches your eye. There's no way you're not going to stare when this passes by. So I said this was body off frame. It has AC, power disc brakes, power steering. Oh, I just absolutely love this car. If you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel. Turn on notifications so you get updated anytime we post a video, and then afterwards go on over to volocars.com and Jay will have a whole write-up about it. We have hundreds of pictures of this car and all the other ones we have for sale. You get to learn the price. Let's sit on in. This is an automatic. Is that really as easy as it is to shut? Nice. All right, it is a it's not a manual top, so you actually motorize there. Has all your gauges up front, tachometer, speedometer. The clock, I'm not sure if it works or not. Let's start it up. Not looking like the clock works, but that's okay. Engine temp, fuel level engaged, is all good. Battery, and it has an updated kind of retro stereo. Radio. This one doesn't work, but there is one right there. Pioneer has CD, the AV plug-in, everything you can do to it. Well, I'm excited. I want to get this out on the road, so. All right, we start off just kind of getting a little feel for it, so I don't go that fast. But here in a couple minutes, I am gonna see what it can do. Power steering, super easy. Engine sounds awesome. And the AC. Kicks right on. I'm sure if I let it go, it'll get cold. Speedometer's working, tachometer's working. Really easy car to drive. Drive straight. Steers better than my modern car. And it looks a whole lot better. It's almost disappointing at the end of the day when I have to just get in my own car. I just want to keep taking these around. It's a pretty smooth ride. I'm not hearing any creaks or cracks, anything. These aren't the smoothest roads in the world. Oh, that engine just purrs. Let's actually manually go through these gears. Oh, that pulls you right back in your seat. That is fun. road. Like I said, you feel the bumps, but it's not all jerky. It's just kind of a smooth bounce. This time I'll just let it click through the gears by itself. Oh, whoever buys this is absolutely gonna love it. Another ride where I just couldn't stop smiling the whole time. I want to thank you for coming along this virtual test drive with me. And like I said, if you haven't already, click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on the notifications, and then head on over to volocars.com. You'd see at least 100 pictures of this and all the other cars we have for sale, along with the write-up that Jay does. And so, yeah, thanks again. And as always, appreciate you.